the Rhina Pack waterproof phone case pouches. Thank you to the brand for sending us this to try out to show you. So this particular one comes with 2 different waterproof cases, and in just a second I'm going to open this and put a paper towel in and show you just how waterproof it is. I've already tried this one out with my phone. These would be really great for the beach or on a cruise where you need to have access to your phone, but you may be in the water, the ocean, or a pool. And I really like this one. In the past I've had other waterproof cases when I've traveled, but this particular one is really great because you unhook it here and then you open it. One of the bonuses to this one is that it has 2 separate pouches. So a lot of waterproof pouches only have 1 pouch. So you'll see this really large pouch here. This is the one where you're going to put your phone in, so you have that clear layer where you can take pictures and access your phone. But it also has this little half pocket back here. So this is going to be great to put any cash that you might need, IDs, anything else that you need to keep on your person and don't feel comfortable leaving, like in your lounge chair or by the beach. And then all you do to close it is you're going to line these back up, close it, and then lock it here. So I'm going to go put in a paper towel, and I'll show you with no cuts me putting this in a bowl, and you can see just how waterproof it is and that the paper towel doesn't get wet. So here we have the pack again with the paper towel inside of it. It is fully sealed. So what I'm going to do, this is a bowl of water here. I'm going to soak this in here with the lid here. Just kind of how you would if you were in a pool or at the beach. Just all kind of different ways. Just kind of let it sit there for a minute. Now I do recommend when you take it out that you dry it on the outside, just so when you're opening the pack here at the top that it doesn't accidentally get any water inside, especially when you're dealing with something like your phone or any kind of cash. Okay, so let's sit this down because I want to be as transparent as I can. Let's dry off the edges of it. This really, I have really liked this waterproof pouch. I love the secondary pouch that it has. But you can already see here, I mean, it's not wet at all. And then you just are gonna unlock it here. It's got a very secure fit. And then we're gonna take this out, and you can see here, there is no water whatsoever on it. It is completely dry and protects anything that is inside of the pouch.